Meet the Somali online superstar that has gained nearly 1 million followers worldwide in just 6 days, all thanks to the power of TikTok. Shamure's journey to fame began unexpectedly as he found himself thrust into the spotlight during a nationally broadcast court case in Banadir, Mogadishu. It was here that he uttered the simple yet profound words Inshallah and Mashallah in response to the judge's questions, instantly capturing the attention and admiration of viewers across Somalia. Little did he know this seemingly mundane moment would become the catalyst for his meteoric rise to online stardom. In the wake of his courtroom appearance, Shamur became an overnight sensation within the Somali community, both at home and abroad. His TikTok account, previously unknown, skyrocketed to fame, amassing close to 900,000 followers in just 6 days. Surpassing established Somali influencers, Shamur's popularity shows no signs of slowing down, with experts predicting he could hit the coveted 1 million mark in a matter of days. What makes Shamur's story even more remarkable is his humble background. Born into poverty and raised in the streets of Mogadishu, he knows all too well the struggles of everyday life. Currently residing in a modest metal shed, Shamur's journey serves as a beacon of hope for countless others facing similar hardships. Despite his circumstances, he remains resilient, driven by the belief that anything is possible with determination and faith. As Shamur's popularity continues to soar, he has become a sought-after collaborator for brands and content creators alike. Companies in Mogadishu are eager to capitalize on his newfound fame, recognizing the immense potential for brand awareness and engagement that he brings. Shamure's ability to connect with audiences on a personal level has made him a valuable asset in the world of influencer marketing, with his authenticity resonating deeply with followers. However, Shamur's journey to online success has not been without its challenges. Despite his rapid ascent to fame, he initially struggled to navigate the complexities of the TikTok platform. In a moment of humility, he confessed to not knowing how to follow back a famous influencer, relying on his children to teach him the ropes. With the guidance of seasoned influencer Osman Sabri, Shamure has since overcome these obstacles, setting up his account and payment methods to ensure he can fully capitalize on his newfound celebrity status. Today, Shamur stands as a testament to the power of resilience and the limitless possibilities of the digital age. From a humble metal shed in Mogadishu to the screens of millions around the world, his story serves as an inspiration to all who dare to dream. As he continues to defy the odds and break barriers, one can't help but wonder, could Shamur be the fastest non-famous person to ever reach 1 million followers on TikTok? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. His impact on the platform and beyond is nothing short of extraordinary.